Michael Sarki as meeting.
As all Goa Shack Owners Association LSC among me, they had a meeting earlier few days back with the tourism minister. So they also wanted to meet chief minister to appraise him about their difficulties. तांकां कोणें सांगलेलें आसता that prices of shack will be increased exorbitantly. So all those clarifications they wanted, not only pricing, about the turtle nesting sites which were there last year तशेंच दवरप ते. तांकां कोणें सांगलें ह्या फावटी आख्या खंय turtle nesting site घालपाचें आहा मोरजी. So all those things have to be resolved. So for that all, including our Bap Sopte and Tingasur Ramzo, Nuve MLA, Babashan, he also had come. So we have appraised the Chief Minister. He has already instructed Director Tourism how to do it. And next cabinet meeting, the note will come for clearing the shack policy.
Shack owners having some demands. That what happened about that demand?
All the demands are being met, especially the 3 years policy ji ahli gela about it. It's continuous. Some calculations about that 90% what is reservation for them, they want something that is being worked out. If it is legally fitting within the rules of the department shack policy, then it will be given to them.
And any
new shack policies also now old continue.
न्यू शॅक पॉलिसी जाता त्या खातीर कॅबिनेटाक येवपाचें आहा. सो कॅबिनेट जे आयज पोस्टपोन जाला पळय तें 1-2 दिसांनी आसतलें फुडें. सो त्या पॉलिसीचेर तें फुडें वचपाचें आहा, हें येवपाचें आहा.
तुम्ही म्हटलं
शॅक पॉलिसी ऑल्सो वील बी पार्ट ऑफ इट.
तुम्ही म्हटलं त्या प्रमाणे नवी टर्टल नेस्टिंग साईट जावची ना आता बिचार.
ना ऑलरेडी आहा,
आहात
आसा तें आमी कार्ड म्हणत ना.
ओके. आणि न्यू
आमी म्हणटा की आमच्या गोंयच्या अनएम्प्लॉयड युथाक न्याय मेळचो की फुडें आनीक तें दाखोवचें न्हू. तांकां कोणें तरी सांगलें की फुडें दाखयता म्हणून, की अशें थोडे जाण GCZMAचे ऑफिसर्स आनी कोण उलयताले. NCSMाचो रिपोर्ट जो आहा ड्राफ्टाचेर ते आख्खी एरिया टर्टल नेस्टिंग दाखयल्ली आसली, म्हणजे वीच इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड बाय द गव्हर्मेंट. सो अन्याय जावंक पान्ना आमच्या लोकल युथाचेर. त्या खातीर आमी स्पेशली येयल्ले CMाक मेळों along with the delegation. They also met the tourism minister. He is also appraised of the same things. Tourism minister ने सांगला तांकां तुमी कांय काळजी करूं नाका. ते आयज courtesy call to the chief minister. So they also met आमचो honorable MLA Bap Sopte, म्हाकाय मेळ्ळे ते, बाबाशनाकूय मेळ्ळे. So they are meeting everybody that their shack policy should be win-win for both government and the people and the tourists also. रेट झप करून वाडोवंक पान्ना ती. तांकां कोणाले रेट खूब वाडयता म्हणून ह्या फावटी शॅकांची. तांकां टोटली 1,40,000 भरचे पडटा टू वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट्स, वेदर इट इज पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड, वेदर इट इज टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंट, वेदर इट इज एक्सायज, वेदर इट इज फूड एंड ड्रग्स, वेदर इट इज GST, सगळें भरूंक जाय तेणी. सो ते 1,40,000चे वयर वचोंक पान्ना. गेल्या फावटी आहले तितले एक तितून 140 ते 145 जाल्यार जाता, पूण तेजे वयर जावंक जायना. सो आमचे ती काळजी घेवपाक आमी येयल्ले.